Money, money, money. Some people avoid talking about it, others chase it desperately, and many live day to day not really understanding how it works. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Happysimus channel where we talk about life, travel, happiness, and humanity. Your homeboy here, the Marco Pera, health practitioner, mindstream life coach, free thinker, and travel enthusiast. Today we're doing something differently as well and talk about something very important. Money lessons everyone should know, especially if you're broke or struggling in life. Let me ask you this. How much of your life do you think is really influenced by money? You know what? Where you live, the food you eat, the schools your children attend, the health care you receive, where you travel to for vacation, and so much more. No exaggeration. The truth is, almost everything is influenced by money. That's why understanding money is not just important, it's absolutely necessary. You know, trying to have more money, riches or wealth, isn't just about luxury. It's about freedom, security, and choices. If you're from a developing nation or struggling right now, or you're broke, understanding money might just be a game changer. The thing is, no matter where you're born, the rules of money are more or less the same. The difference is some people learn them early while others never get the chance. Today, I want to share 5 powerful money lessons that can change the way you think about wealth and maybe even change your life. Before we proceed, let us address some beliefs that keep people poor. This is where many people get stuck right from the start. People say money is the root of all evil. No, no, no. The lack of money causes more pain, stress, and broken families than money ever did. Here's another one. Rich people are greedy. Yes, some maybe, but that is generally not true. Question. How much impact have you personally made on your community or local area? You see, many of the wealthiest are the biggest givers and donors. I know some shall talk about proportional percentages of total wealth, but mind you, that also applies to your own wealth, no matter the amount. Lots of rich people are out there building hospitals, building schools, and making their communities better. Think about it. By now, Bill Gates has donated over $1 billion to fight diseases worldwide. And whether you like Elon Musk or not, he has given over 100 million to various charities and he keeps creating opportunities for so many around the globe. Even Jeff Bezos has contributed millions to support many homeless families and so many more. Tony Robbins, some of you might know, the famous motivational speaker, is a champion of millions of free meals to the less fortunate. The list is so long. Wealthy philanthropists. It goes on and on. Another world sabotaging mindset is I just need to work very hard to get very rich. Even that is a big trap because hard work without financial understanding often keeps you on the treadmill, running, but never moving forward. The list of limiting beliefs and false beliefs is so long. It all starts in the mind. In that light, today we're going to look at 5 money lessons everyone should know, especially if you're broke, struggling, or trying to get to the next level. So let's start at the absolute beginning. Lesson number 1. Learn about money and wealth. No matter what you do, this is so important. This knowledge isn't just for bankers or investors. I'll go as far as saying when a kid is young enough to understand the difference between good and evil, start introducing them to money and wealth. It doesn't matter if they want to become lawyers, mechanics, pilots, or doctors. Everyone needs a fundamental grasp of concepts like the power of compound interest, investment, taxes, insurances, and much more. Even you need to know this fundamental because whether you study law, medicine, or agriculture, money will impact your life. This knowledge is what allows you to build a successful practice, a thriving firm, run a charity or any business. It's the universal foundation. You can't play a game without knowing the rules. Lesson number 2. Wealth is first and foremost a mindset game. Now, once you start learning, you quickly hit the core lesson. Wealth is a mindset game because what often stops isn't lack of information or opportunities, but a set of deep-seated beliefs compounded by other poverty mindsets and habits, imaginations that keep you stagnated, and broke. These are the beliefs we learn at a very tender age from our parents, our teachers, our relatives, all people who apparently love and mean good. Only they do not know better. They didn't know any better because they too were also broke. They are maybe also broke. At this point, I'm thinking about a great book to recommend to this topic, Rich Dad Poor Dad by Paul Kiyosaki. Check the link in the description below. You see, some people have a survival mindset. They don't believe they can acquire or that they deserve riches. It could be their so-called money thermostat is set to 10k, 50k, or 100k a year. Limited beliefs that hinder your willingness to put yourself out there to acquire riches and amass more wealth. Actually, this is huge, guys. Mindset. I do not yet have millions in my bank account, but a few years ago, when I decided to become a millionaire and felt like I deserved it, that's when I actually became wealthy. I became hungry. I started attending seminars, learning more, becoming more creative. Now, I'm just waiting for the numbers to fill up the bank account sooner or later. Your beliefs determine your reality. Shifting your mindset to see money as a tool for creation is what allows you to use the knowledge you're gaining. It's the spark that turns learning into action. Just a quick break. By the way, are you struggling to achieve any goals in life, be it financial success, losing weight, or any important project you dream of? I would like to recommend this practical and simple to read booklet, 10 reasons why people fail with your goals and resolutions, including 10 highly and effective solutions. If you're serious about wanting to make things happen, then this might just be a good resource to help you along your journey. For less than the price of a cup of coffee with potential huge benefits, you can grab a paperback copy on audio version today. Links in the description below. Let the ball roll. Okay, back to the video. Lesson number 3. Build skills, not just income. Here's a simple rule. Money follows value. If you want to earn more, you need to become more valuable. You should build skills, not just income. Don't just trade hours for dollars. Use your new knowledge and mindset to learn high income skills, e.g. coding, communication, AI capitalization opportunities, sales, digital marketing. Skills that raise your income potential anywhere in the world. The more you grow your capabilities, the more money you will naturally grow with you. You're building the engine that generates wealth. Lesson number 4. Make your money work for you. Once you start learning your hard-earned currencies, dollars, euros, pounds, wherever you are, the master lesson is you should make your money work for you. Saving is good, but saving alone won't build lasting wealth. Inflation quietly eats savings. The goal is to keep learning from mentors, financial experts, and use your knowledge to put your money to work. This means investing even small amounts consistently. Whether it is stocks, real estate, or a side business, you're creating assets that generate income for you. Even while you sleep, your money becomes an employee working 24/7. Lesson number 5. Financial knowledge is freedom, and that brings us to the ultimate lesson, the why behind it all. Financial knowledge is freedom. When you understand money, you are no longer controlled by fear. Imagine choosing where to live, sending your kids to a great school without worry, or helping your parents retire with dignity. That's what this journey gives you, the power to make choices. Money is not about greed, it's about freedom. It's about being able to say yes to life, being able to say yes to whatever you wish yourself. Here's a practical step I have for you, in case you haven't done that yet. Book an appointment with your banker or a financial mentor in the coming days or weeks. Mind you, I said banker or a financial mentor. Remember, if you want to learn about money, learn from someone who knows about money or has a track record of amassing wealth. This reminds me of another great book of finance I recommend, The Richest Man in Babylon. Check it down in the link in the description. Again, book an appointment in the coming weeks and start getting some valuable advice. Start reading books on finance and wealth. Start increasing your knowledge. Start becoming informed. Start becoming aware. Let me also remind you, your financial journey is a process, just like getting in shape in the gym. Be proactive, be consistent, and be willing to learn. It's about Shifting your mindset, building your value, and putting money to work. This is how your knowledge turns into freedom. Because whether you like it or not, money touches every part of your life. The question is, will you control it or will it control you? Thanks for watching, folks. If you got any value from this video, smash that subscribe button and like and share this video to increase money awareness. And until next time, peace and love. By the way, if you're looking to get smarter with money, here are 5 powerful books you could start reading today, improving and increasing your financial know-how. Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki, I made mention a while ago, a mind-shifting classic about building wealth and understanding assets versus liabilities. The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas Stanley and William Danko reveals surprising habits of everyday millionaires. The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham, a timeless guide to smart long-term investing. Your Money or Your Life by Vicky Robin and Joe Dominguez. This helps you rethink the relationship between money and life goals. The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel explains how behavior often matters more than math when it comes to finances. And of course, the other classics just to make mention. Think and Grow Rich, Napoleon Hill, one of my all-time best classics. Check it out, guys. Links in the description. Get involved, get educated, get wiser, be your life, and get rich.